4,000 litres of adulterated milk was seized from a truck at a checkpoint in Rajkot, said the officials on Tuesday. A truck was stopped during checking of vehicles and adulterated milk that was made from chemicals like sulfates, phosphates and carbonate oils was seized, said Praveen Kumar Meena, DCP Zone 1 Rajkot. As per information, the adulterated dairy business was being carried out for months and is a part of a big nexus. Adulterated milk was being supplied for the last 4 months. We've identified the supplier and factory's location. Further probe to be conducted, said the DCP. Further investigations into the case is underway. Earlier on Tuesday, major milk outlets raised milk prices across the country. The major reason for the price hike was cited as an increment in input costs. Both Amul and Mother Dairy raised their costs by ₹2 per litre. It said the company has been experiencing a surge in input costs which have increased multifold during the last 5 months.